Hi everybody, my name is Lisa Wigfall and today I am going to talk about cryptocurrency, the basics. I'm going to explain cryptocurrency hopefully in a short period of time. So without delay, I'm just going to get started. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital money. It is a form of digital money, digital currency, and it is done completely online via the internet. It is completely online. You cannot go into a bank to deposit cryptocurrency. Everything is done digitally. So, with that said, if you get a call from somebody saying that they want to set you up with cryptocurrency, I would be leery. Do not get involved. So, let's get into exactly how did this all begin? What's the starting point? Well, in 2007, the founder of the first cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. It was started by a person named Satoshi Nakamoto. He put out what's called a white paper. A white paper is, in the business world, it is the equivalent to a business plan. So he put out white paper. White paper is the information that goes with what's behind and all of the details about a particular cryptocurrency that it's newly founded. So he put this white paper out back in 2007. He created a domain name at that point. 2008, he was still working on it. Fast forward to 2009, the first Bitcoin transaction occurred. It went from Satoshi Nakamoto to Hal Finney. Hal Finney received 10 Bitcoins from Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, the funny thing, interesting, I find it interesting, is no one has seen Satoshi Nakamoto. They don't know who he is. They don't know where he is. They don't know where he came from. Some speculation is that he actually is the pen name for a group of computer scientists, computer programmers, computer analysts that got together to create the Bitcoin. So I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, fast forward from 2009 up until today, October 11th is when I'm actually recording this, 2021, Bitcoin is off the charts. The last that I checked, it was over 51,000 per Bitcoin. So there is a monetary value to a particular cryptocurrency. And with that said, cryptocurrency is very volatile. Volatility involves the high and lows, and in cryptocurrency, it can go very fast. It can, 1 minute it's price A, and the next minute it's going to drop down to almost zero. There's no way to determine exactly when there's the best time to purchase cryptocurrency. It's not like, oh, every night at 10 p.m., that's a great time. There's no way to tell. So, a recommendation and a good rule of thumb when you are considering cryptocurrency, never purchase more than you're willing to lose. Never purchase more than you are willing to lose. So, with cryptocurrency, there is the ability to transfer value online without any middleman, without any banks. That's what makes it decentralized, because there are no middlemen, there are no banks involved with cryptocurrency. And the interesting thing about Bitcoin, since it has been going on for so long, the momentum has picked up. And as of the day of this recording, there are a total of 12,600 types of cryptocurrency. And since it is all online, there are trading centers or exchange platforms that you can utilize to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And with that said, as of today, there are over 412 trading platforms. They are part of Coinbase, eToro. There are just tons of them. So that's part of doing your research, finding a platform that you can use to buy your cryptocurrency from. Do your homework, just like white paper came out for the Bitcoin. all of these numerous cryptocurrencies have a white paper. There's information, there's history about it. There are different details about it, and you get what you feel comfortable with. You buy the type of cryptocurrency that you are comfortable with. And over the course of time, 2009, corporations, they had nothing to do with it. Fast forward to today, you have the Robert Kiyosaki. He initially is totally real estate investing. Now, a large component of his investment portfolio is cryptocurrency. He talks a lot about cryptocurrency today. Kevin O'Leary, one of the sharks from the Shark Tank, I was listening to a podcast that he was on, and he initially focused at least 5% of his profits from his companies into gold. Now, cryptocurrency, his involvement in an investment in cryptocurrency exceeds the percentage of his investing in gold. So his investments in cryptocurrency now is over 7%, or at least that's what his goal is. So that says a lot about where people are, or the people's level of comfort. Businesses and corporations are now looking and saying, hey, this is the way to go. San Francisco, California actually is one city in America that is one of the highest, there has the highest activity of cryptocurrency exchange. Some of the major corporations that are currently involved in exchanging cryptocurrency or accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment: Tesla and the PayPal and Overstock.com. So those are three major corporations that are now part of their payment platform. Cryptocurrency is accepted. Now, I mentioned Tesla, and part of the more popular cryptocurrencies, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have Litecoin, and you have Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is one that you may have heard a lot of buzz about over the last several months. Elon Musk is very big in promoting Dogecoin, and Dogecoin has been around for a while. So there are a lot of cryptocurrencies to choose from. Again, you select and you choose the one that you feel most comfortable with, but also looking at their history, looking at their track record, and also looking at the ones that major corporations are also looking and where they're putting their money in. Ethereum, you hear a lot about that one as well. So I'm not going to get too much in depth, but just know there is a wealth of cryptocurrency out there. Since 2009 up until today, it has multiplied tremendously. So that is where I'm going to stop for today. The details, the basics about cryptocurrency, how things run, how it began, and the momentum that it is doing now. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I just wanted to leave you with that, but I am someone, I'm just a girl who loves investing and loves sharing information. That's it for today. My name is Lisa Wigfall. Until next time, remember to live, love, laugh, and smile. Take care. Oh, before I hang up or get off of this, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it. And until next time, I will see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.